Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and today I'm going to discuss which is better for your health, eating the whole egg or only eating the egg whites. So, prehistorically, humans have always eaten whole eggs. It's only in the past about 2 decades or so that eating egg whites has become such a popular thing. There's a lot of information and misinformation about eating the whole egg and a lot of apparent benefits of eating only egg whites. These have particularly been driven by the fitness community. Let's see how much of these actually hold true. So, the first thing that people think is bad about eating the whole egg is the fat coming from the yolk. More specifically, the cholesterol coming from the yolk. Now, it is true that eating one whole egg gives you more than 50% of your daily cholesterol intake from food. So, if you eat more than one full egg, for example, even just two, are you automatically setting up yourself for clogged arteries and heart disease? Thankfully, no. A couple years back, the guidelines on cholesterol from food were changed, and it was found that dietary cholesterol actually doesn't impact your body and blood cholesterol as much as was first thought. It totally depends on all the other nutrients that you're getting from the food that you're eating. In fact, eating cholesterol rich food with fiber rich food can actually even reduce how much cholesterol is absorbed from the food when it's getting digested. So, for example, adding some vegetables to a whole egg omelette can actually reduce the amount of cholesterol that your body absorbs as opposed to eating a whole egg omelette without any vegetables in it. So it's totally about how you're combining the foods and what other nutrients are present in the food. Your body is also perfectly capable of creating its own cholesterol and it can increase or decrease the amount that it creates based on what it's getting from food. So, from a cholesterol point of view, it's perfectly fine to be eating the whole egg, including the yolk. How many eggs you eat would have to totally be individualized according to other personal and lifestyle factors. Okay, so all that's well and good about fat. Don't we mostly eat eggs for protein though, and isn't that in the whites? Hate to break it to you, but the whites only contain half the egg's protein. The rest of it is in the yolk. For example, one egg contains about 6 grams of protein. If you were to eat only the whites, you'd be getting only about 3 grams of protein. The remaining 3 grams are in the yolk, and this is why it's really important that you eat the whole egg. One final reason that I highly advocate eating the whole egg is again because of the fat content of the yolk. The quality of fat is such that it provides a lot of fullness to the meal, and this fullness can automatically make you practice portion control. And in this way, it may help you with weight management and with health management and maintaining body fat levels. So, I hope it's clear to you that you would benefit much more from eating a whole egg versus only egg whites. The only time that I would suggest to someone to eat only egg whites is post workout. In your post workout snack or post workout meal, you want to keep fat content as low as possible so that the meal can be rapidly digested and can aid muscle repair, recovery, and refueling. So, at this time, go ahead by all means and do just egg whites. Egg whites are also purely protein, so they do offer some benefit from a food science point of view and from a culinary point of view. Desserts like meringue can only be made with egg whites, and there are several other food items that egg whites provide great structure to. In cases like these, go ahead and use egg whites. But here remember, you're using it for its functional property and not its health property. Lastly, I understand that not everyone likes the taste of egg. In fact, the distinct eggy taste of food does come from the yolk. In this case, it would be perfectly fine to avoid the yolk if you need to. I very strongly believe that most people would benefit from eating a whole egg versus just the egg whites. Even though the egg yolk is little, it's a powerhouse of nutrients like iron and choline and vitamins like vitamin A, B, and B12. So, if you can get creative with recipes, if you don't mind how egg tastes, please go ahead and eat the whole egg over just egg whites. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments below, reach out to me on Instagram, or simply shoot me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.